Hey guys, listen up! So you're dreaming about launching your own business, right? But let's be super real. Starting up is tough. There are days when your motivation just disappears, like your phone when it's on silent mode. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's how I keep myself fired up when building something from scratch. First, always remember your why. Why did you even want to start this business? Maybe it's about financial freedom, being your own boss, or solving a problem you care about. Whenever things get hard, I just close my eyes for a second and remind myself of my why. Trust me, it works like magic. Next, set small, achievable goals. Don't just look at the giant mountain, or you'll feel like giving up. Break your journey into steps, small wins every day. Finished your pitch deck? Celebrate! Got your first customer? Do a happy dance. It's these little victories that will keep you moving forward. Now talk to people who get it. Find other founders, join online communities, or just chat with friends who believe in you. Every founder faces setbacks. But when you talk to others, you'll realize you're not alone. Their stories might just lift you up on a tough day. Also, don't forget to take care of yourself. I know it sounds boring, but trust me. If you burn out, your business burns out too. Eat well, sleep enough, and take breaks. You're the engine, keep yourself running smooth. And finally, keep learning. Every mistake is a lesson, not a failure. Sometimes things won't go as planned, and that's totally okay. The most successful founders, they just never stop learning, adapting, and growing. So if you ever feel like giving up, just remember, this is your dream. No one else will build it for you. Stay motivated, keep hustling, and who knows? Maybe one day, someone will watch your story for inspiration. All right, now get out there and launch your dream business. If you like this pep talk, hit that subscribe button and share your journey in the comments. Let's build something awesome together.